भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त। हे रोरो
ए हीरो
हे रोरो, तेरी मेरी जोड़ी है बड़ी परफेक्ट, ना कोई प्रॉब्लम ना कोई डिफेक्ट।
2 और 2 हम 5 करेंगे, चलो 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 खुराफात करेंगे।
रो माना कि तू बड़ा है स्मार्ट, पर हर शैतानी में तेरा ही हाथ।
प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ाने में तू बिल्कुल हीरो है, पर टेंशन में है थ्रिल।
फन भी तो ढेरों है, मैं स्मार्ट हूँ और क्यूट हूँ, मैं भूत हूँ मजबूत हूँ, चलो मिलके करें सारी मुश्किलों को पास। भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है। भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है। भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त।
A plus B the whole square equals to
Power nap. You were saying? What a boring class. Wish something exciting happens. What say?
We should make some excuse and get out from here.
Trouble, fun, double. Please don't do mischief in the class. Otherwise, we'll get the detention again. Relax. You know me, right, Neil? I am never mischievous.
Roro, stand up. This was the last warning for you. Now you will get detention for sure. Understood?
Roro, my bro, I'm here.
So kids, tell me, what new did we learn in the maths class today? Come on, tell me quickly. Who wants to go first? Hey, who touched me just now? Forget it. Come on, tell me quickly. Huh? Huh? Why are you laughing, Roro? Did I say something funny now?
No, ma'am. Actually.
Now check out my style.
Good morning, dear students. This is your principal speaking. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, check just got a little bit longer. You know, actually, I have a sore throat because I had a dozen ice cream today. That's why I'm sounding a bit young today.
Oh no, this hero is too much.
Now I will talk in a slight serious tone. Miss Bindu, you have been called to the principal's office. I mean, you have been called to my office. Please go. There. I mean, please come.
Yeah, sure. I'll be right there. Kids, don't make noise at all.
And kids, rest of the periods are free. Go and enjoy.
Thanks, hero. Today you saved me again. Otherwise, I would have got detention.
Best friends are always there for their best friend.
Now will you come out of that speaker? Huh? What? How come the school bell rang so early? There's still 20 minutes left. Hero, quickly fix the speaker, please, before Miss Bindu comes back.
I think you don't know. On hearing loud sounds, my powers go from hero to zero for some time.
Okay, the bell won't ring for the next 30 minutes. Hopefully your powers will be back by then, right?
Run my bells.
Huh? What's going on?
Roro? Hey, where did all the kids go?
The bell rang at the wrong time, so everyone left. But I was waiting because you were scolding me, right, miss? And to be honest, I didn't want to leave until you were done scolding me. And the rest of the kids went that way.
Oh, you are such a good kid. Your detention is cancelled. I'll go and get the other kids back.
Roro, I'm not feeling so well.
Hey, what's wrong?
What is wrong?
Hero! Oh no, Hero! Are you alright? Listen, what is wrong with you? You're flying like a leaking balloon. Hey, please stop, Hero. Where are you going? You don't even have the powers yet. Wait, I'll come with you. Oh no, he went straight into the auditorium. Hero, where are you? Hey, don't hide. Come here, Hero.
Now I will not allow any danger to come near me. Now I'm on a mission to destroy that bell. The bell won't ring, the sound won't sting. And by sting I mean it won't sting me.
Oh.
There goes the bell again. Roro, do something.
Hey, what's going on? Hey, this sounds like Vicky and Taco. Why are they laughing? I'll check right away. Balle, balle, let's dance.
I'll trouble the whole school. It'll be so much fun. Why are so many lectures ending together today?
So Vicky is behind all this. I'll have to do something for sure. Nia, the one behind the bell prank is none other than Vicky.
What are you saying, Roro? Vicky is doing all this? Huh?
But why did you care about it if Vicky messed with the bell, Roro? Huh?
Didn't I tell you? To fix this, we'll have to check the bell. And what if the bell stops ringing on the day of the exam and our examination of 2 hours might stretch to 5 hours?
Okay, if it's about saving the exams, then I'm with you as well, Roro.
Look, there's the bell. Hey, quickly help me reach there. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Got it. Listen, let us go before someone sees us like this. It seems all right to me.
Let me check it. I've read a book on working of bell.
You've read a book on almost everything.
What is this black device?
So you've managed to find out our invention. Put it back where you found it.
Your invention? Vicky, so it was you who was troubling the entire school.
You feel that I was doing this to create problem? I am not troubling but helping the kids of the school. If there's no study, then there's only fun.
Are you looking for this, my friend?
What?
Congratulations, Vicky. Your secret is out. I'm going to tell Miss Bindu about this mischief of yours. Stop me if you can.
Complain to Miss Bindu. Did you two knew this?
Huh? Not at all. This was not our plan.
No, not at all.
I'll deal with you two later. First catch him.
Hey, stop right there. Where are you running to?
Hero, my bro, where are you? I need your help urgently.
Tension zero. Here comes Hero.
Hero, are your powers back yet?
No, I'll need 2 more minutes.
Really? That means I'll have to run for 2 more minutes. Run!
Going somewhere?
Now Vicky will fix you for good.
What is he doing? Why is he messing with them just for that? I feel to protect the exams, the real student inside Roro is coming out and giving his best.
But I don't think so.
Now hand over Taco's invention.
Escaping Vicky is very tricky. You have made us dance a lot. Nacho says, let's dance.
Hand over the bell to me, Roro. Now.
Tension zero. Here comes Hero. Ding 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 ding.
Keep it away from me. Help me. What is this happening? Why is this bell flying?
Where is the bell sound coming from? So the mischief of the bell was your doing, Vicky. Come to the principal's office with me.
But miss.
Keep your mouth shut and follow me.
I'll make sure you pay for this.
Vicky, look ahead while you
But
walk.
Roro, I didn't understand one thing. Suddenly, why so much interest in repairing the bell?
I might be a bit naughty, but I will never damage our own school.
Thanks, Roro. You saved me really good today.
And you too, Hero. Your entry was spot on to save me. I think this is the right moment to say it.
Looks like he's gone crazy again. Huh.
Yes, you are right. Even I feel the same. Come on, let's go.
Hero, you have bothered me a lot today. It's my turn now. Shall I
Please,
ring the bell?
Roro. Don't do this. Not the bell again.
Hey, I was just joking, okay? Ghost cool. Wonderful.
भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है तू भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त हे रोरो
ए हीरो
हे रोरो तेरी मेरी जोड़ी है बड़ी परफेक्ट ना कोई प्रॉब्लम ना कोई डिफेक्ट
2 और 2 हम 5 करेंगे चलो 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 खुराफात करेंगे
रो रो माना कि तू बड़ा है स्मार्ट पर हर शैतानी में तेरा ही हाथ
प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ाने में तू बिल्कुल हीरो है पर टेंशन में है थ्रिल
फन भी तो ढेरों है मैं स्मार्ट हूँ और क्यूट हूँ मैं भूत हूँ मजबूत हूँ चलो मिलके करें सारी मुश्किलों को पास भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त है 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 भूत मस्त है तू जबरदस्त
Like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from Kupari.